that performance.
You should be proud of your 57 winning.
Yun, just be proud of that.
Malapit na sa edad ko yun.
So, para po sa inyo yun, Daddy and Mommy.
Ito yung anak ni Chiki Papan.
Alright, let's call on team number 2
Sila na
of
mag-usap.
GMA-DYSP Super Rapjo, Junfred Calamba. From Solar TV, Dominic Goy. And from the San Miguel Beerman, Jonas Villanueva.
Dominic ba may shooting? May shooting ito doon sa mga ABC siguro.
Shooting. Pag he's hosting segments, yan. Shooting. But he really was limbering up for this event. So, tingnan natin, usulit yung kanyang stretching.
Ito, iba kanilang strategy. Si Jonas ang unang titira.
May ano pa sila. May
nakaposisyon na sila.
May pwestuhan sila.
Para mabilis. Parang kala mo, kaya kagad ni Dominic.
Okay, so yan. Jonas Villanueva, Dominic Uy.
Kaya nga.
Munti ka na.
Kaya pala pumesto ng gano'n.
Okay, Junfred Calamba, ang ating local participant from Palawan Super Radio. Jonas connects. Corner shot, Dominic Uy. Ayan, nasa huli talaga ang pagsisisi. Pagkuha ng taga-solar.
Mali ang pwesto ni,
Okay, Junfred Calamba.
Yes! Kaya pala. Magaling pa mag-shoot kay Dominic.
Marami mas magaling talaga kay Dominic. Jonas with the miss. Dominic Uy for 3. Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Malaking disgrasya ito.
Ayan, half-court shot. Here we go. Junfred Calamba. No good. Importante dito, aabangan nyo na yung half-court shot. Jonas Villanueva of the San Miguel Beerman.
I saw him make this earlier in practice. Ba, maganda linya!
Nice pass to Dominic Uy. It's Jonas Villanueva. Good line. Teams have 2 minutes to try and complete the 6 shooting spots.
Pagod na yung puso ni Dominic.
Time is winding down. 30 seconds to go bago matapos ang oras.
Wala na pagkakabal siya ni Dominic. So, let's hope this one can go in for their group. Short.
Okay, Dominic Uy for the win. Oh, okay, they only have 5 seconds to try and make this half-court shot.
Well, good line, huh?
And that's it. So, team number 1, umabot sila hanggang the 5th shooting spot. Team number 2 hanggang 5th shooting spot din.
Pero mas mabilis yata.
Yes, now that they're tied, yung oras na magiging ano dito, critical.
From East Llamados, Coach Ryan Gregorio. And from Air 21 Express, Renren Ritualo.
Here's team number 3, Renren Ritualo of Air 21. Team McDerby Ace head coach Ryan Gregorio. And si Mr. Fidelio de Guzman, one of our local media personalities. And they're underway.
Ako, masyadong inalalayan ako. Para maganda yung pwesto ng Team B,
Yan ang mahirap.
Maganda yung pwesto ng Team B, Medyo maaga sila natapos.
So now, under time pressure na itong team number 3. And things are not looking good.
But if they can still go through and make the 6 shot, they will still win.
Yes.
Yun ang pinaka-importante.
If they connect with under 2 minutes in this Shooting Stars event. Nice shot!
Okay.
Nice shot from Mr. Fidelio de Guzman.
Okay.
Gregorio for 3. And here's Renren. They can win this if they make the half-court shot. Team number 3 going for the victory here in the Shooting Stars.
Nice pass.
Here's Ryan Gregorio. Running shot. Magandang form from half-court ni Coach Ryan.
Short.
Here's Renren. Good line.
I think Renren needs a little bit more running start. Huwag siya magiging stationary, nagiging short. Si Ryan may running
Ito,
start.
okay. Running shot by Coach Ryan Gregorio.
Oh, some more chances here. Tagal pa. We have about 20 seconds more. Short.
Oh! Almost. Remember, if they make the half-court shot, they will win this event. 10 seconds to go. 7 seconds to go. Gregorio for the win.
There is time enough for Renren.
One more shot here for the win. Ritualo, airball. So, magbibilang na tayo ng oras ngayon dahil all three teams finished at the 5th spot. Yun ang kanilang huling conversion. So now we will check the time, the official time of all three teams to determine the winner.
Okay, we're just waiting for the results. So the best time
Good,
was
best
able
time,
to
yeah.
complete their shot from the number 5 spot. Because no other team was able to convert from the number 6 spot. Just be figuring this out. We'll give you the results in just a moment.
Now, ito, I've been just handed a note from the commissioner himself. I think this will be the last time, no? Na may kukuha sila from the broadcast panel, no?
Ba? Mga arte ito si Dominic. Alam mo.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the results for the shooting stars.
And the results are in.
Team number 1, 1 minute and 14. The team of Renren Ritualo, Coach Ryan Gregorio, 52 seconds. So our winner here would be the team of Jonas Villanueva, Dominic Uy, and Junfred Calamba. Congratulations!
So, ang ating winner, making the 5th spot or converting that 5th shot in at the 38-second mark. No? So
Yeah,
sila pinakamabilis sa umabot ng number 5 and converted it.
And right now for the
Team number
award,
2, Jonas Villanueva of the San Miguel Beermen, Dominic Uy of Solar TV, and Junfred Calamba of Palawan Super Radio. Sila po ang nagwagi sa ating Shooting Stars kicking off All-Star Sunday here in Puerto Princesa. Are you surprised by the outcome, Dr.
No,
J?
no. Ba sinasabi ko kay Dominic, gusto ko yung kasama niyang si Jonas. Pero okay rin yung naging kasama nila taga Palawan, ha?
Yep, Junfred Calamba.
Yeah.
Actually, yung ating tatlong local media personalities, lahat
They did
nakashoot,
pretty
ha?
well. The only problem for them was, of course, yung half-court shot. Medyo mahirap yan, eh. So, congratulations to these three players. Players.
Congratulations to the 2017 All-Star Shooting Stars champion, Junfred Calamba, Dominic Uy, and Jonas Villanueva.
Jonas, parang Grand Slam, ah.
Oh, that's right.
Nanalo rin kahapon yun sa ano niya, sa skills.
Yep. So, congratulations to team number 2.
Now stand by. Wait,
And Dominic Uy looking at us, acting as if he was responsible for that victory.
Oh. Ba, nagyabang pa rin ito sa atin.
Oh,
May
ba?
pahem pa.
Itong mga Dominic not realizing na nilagay sa dyan, pang-handicap eh. Pampatas lang eh. And here's winning moments, the winning moment of Dominic Uy.
Oh,
A
actually,
3-point shot, ha?
kaya nga 38 seconds lang siya.
So siya talaga, actually, you know what? I take it back. Siya nagpapanalo. Huh? I take it back. I thought he lost his shooting touch as early as 1999. So Dominic Uy hitting the game winner and helping team number 2 win the Shooting Stars event. And that really officially kicks off All-Star Sunday mula rito sa Puerto Princesa Coliseum. May simula pa lang yan, Dr. J. Marami pa tayong gagawin dito sa loob ng ating venue. In the meantime, the winners of the Shooting Stars event are with Leah Cruz.
Alright, thanks, Miko. I am with our winning combination right here in the Shooting Stars. Jonas Villanueva, Junfred Calamba, and some guy over here, I think he's half Filipino, half something else. Dominic Uy, of course, of our broadcast panel. Now, first off, I'll talk to Jonas. Jonas, mukhang na-frustrate ka kanina, pero parang ibang strategy yung ginamit nyo. Ikaw ba yung nag-isip nun?
meron lang kami game plan sa rebounding. So, nakita namin yung first group, medyo nahirapan sila sa